Hi, boys and girls, and welcome back from spring break. This week's STEM challenge is about simple machines. I'm going to read you some information about simple machines, and then at home, you're going to design one of your own. You can choose to use whatever elements you want, and you can choose whatever materials. You just have to make sure you include at least one element from the passage I'm going to read you. So simple machines are objects that make it easier for people to do work. Not all machines have lots of parts or motors. Simple machines have only one or two main parts. A shovel, a screwdriver, a knife, a broom, and even a slide on the playground are all simple machines. Let's learn about the 6 types of simple machines. So, of these 6 types, you need to include at least one of these elements. The first one is an inclined plane, which makes moving and lifting things easier. It is a flat, slanted surface that works like a ramp. Have you ever seen someone load heavy items into the back of a large truck? They may have used a ramp or an inclined plane to load the truck more easily. The next type of machine is a wedge. A wedge is a pair of inclined planes attached back to back. A wedge is used to force things apart. Have you ever seen someone chop wood with an axe? The head of an axe is a wedge. Another example of this would be like a knife cutting butter. It cuts in the middle and it creates that wedge. A screw is a spiral wrapped around a center post. When you turn it, it can lift objects or hold 2 objects together. Have you ever opened a bottle of water? When you turn the cap one way, it opens. If you turn it the other way, it seals the bottle shut. The cap is a screw, so that's another type of simple machine. A lever is a bar that pivots or turns on a fixed point, like right here. The fixed point is called the fulcrum. Have you ever played on a seesaw? The seesaw is a lever. The support in the middle is the fulcrum. So this is another type of machine here, is a lever. And then we have a pulley. A pulley is a wheel that is used with a cord or rope. When you pull it downward, the other end lifts upward. Have you ever seen someone hoist a flag up a flagpole? The flag is attached to a rope. At the top of the rope is a pulley. When you pull the rope downward, the flag rises up. And then we have a wheel and an axle. A wheel and axle is made up of a wheel with a rod attached to it. When the wheel is turned, it turns the axle with it. Have you ever tried to turn a round doorknob to open a door? When you turn a doorknob, you are using a wheel and axle. The knob is the wheel. The rod that is attached to is an axle. And I normally wouldn't have thought of a doorknob as a type of wheel and axle. So this week, you're going to use one of those elements: a wheel, an axle, a lever, a seesaw, a wheel and pulley, and you're going to design a simple machine of your own. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.